Good morning, guys. It's very early. It's not even 5 a.m. yet. I'm doing a lot of shooting today, so I am packing my bag for that, and I'm going to be taking you guys with me on a little day in the life video. Today, the reason why I'm up so early is I'm shooting some footage at the Brooklyn Bridge, and I'm trying to get there by sunrise to catch some really good views and some really sick lighting. So hopefully we will get there in time. I've mapped it out on Apple Maps, and yeah, I still have a little bit of time before I need to start trekking to the train. It's around 4:45 right now in the morning, so a little early, but it is what it is. So I need my MacBook, and then after that I'm gonna come back here, start editing some video, and then a little later in the afternoon it's gonna be really nice today, like 70 degrees, and take my dog Elio to Central Park and have a little park day. So should be fun. So I just got off the train here in Brooklyn. It's still dark out. Weather's not so good. It's a little rainy. I thought it was gonna be a little nicer. Oh, I think I see it. It is kind of crazy being out and about this early. I think like 5 a.m. is like the one time New York City actually is sleeping, because it kind of feels like I have the whole city to myself, honestly. No complaints though, just different. Kind of nice actually, not gonna lie. So if you've seen my DUMBO vlog, you'll remember this famous area right here of the Manhattan Bridge in between the two buildings. But what I've never seen before is being the only one here. I've never seen it so empty. I literally have the whole view to myself right now, so I'm gonna go get some photos because wow, what a cool experience. For the super touristy places, I think if you wanna get a good view, you have to get there either really early or be there really, really late at night. I think it's one or the other. Honestly, the rain's kind of a vibe. I'm not even that mad about it. But I think now I'm here on the bridge, and now I think I just wait till sunrise, I guess. Oh, wow. The reason that I'm here is because I'm going to be filming these walking tours here in New York City. I'm going to film this rainy one here at the Brooklyn Bridge. What I'm going to be doing is a 30 minutes to an hour POV, walking through an iconic, cool area in the city, and hopefully it'll feel like you guys are actually there. So that's the goal. I'm going to get set up to go shoot this video, and I will see you guys in Manhattan on the other side. So I'm back in Manhattan. I just successfully crossed the Brooklyn Bridge. Pretty excited to start doing these walking tours. I hope you guys enjoy them as much as I enjoyed shooting this one. One thing I learned doing this experience is that I really need to get out in the city way earlier in the day, but you really get a sense that you have like the entire city to yourself, which was so surreal. Also, the squirrels here are not messing around. Get back, bro. Get back. I have no food for you. That's another thing in New York. These like squirrels, pigeons, it don't matter. They are not afraid of you. If they want food, they will ask you for it. So we're all trying to make it here in the city. Wow, so I'm here by World Trade Center and the Oculus Mall. I don't come to Financial District a lot, but when I do, I try to walk through here. I'm actually gonna walk over to the 9/11 Memorial.
you can't help but feel a little somber every time you come to this part of the city. So this is the spot where one of the towers was. And if you see, there's like a little flower right there. I'll zoom in. And so what the white rose represents is if that person were alive today, it would have been their birthday. So it would have been their birthday today. It's just devastating. And then One World Trade Center is right here, the tallest building in Manhattan. Look at that. I don't even think you can see the top because it's so cloudy, but crazy, right? Literally, as I was leaving, they were opening up the memorial. So the memorial opens at 8 a.m. in case you are wondering. So yeah, it's 8 a.m. now, and I'm gonna go show you guys the fountain. And there it is right there. This whole area was a building at one point. That's just insane. I've never actually been to the 9/11 museum, but I heard that you can go and listen to voicemails from like Flight 93 that people were leaving their loved ones as the hijack was taking place. I do not have the heart to take that. Yeah, crazy that it all happened right here. So I'm here at Gregory's Coffee. I got a Americano. That's my go-to drink. You know, some people have said I look a little bit like the Gregory's Coffee logo, that it is my doppelganger, and you know what, I'll take it. I'll take it, not a bad thing to be compared to, right? But the coffee is really good. They don't have a lot of Gregory's Coffees uptown where I live. They're all like downtown Brooklyn, midtown Manhattan. So whenever I'm down here, I definitely try to get that. But yeah, I'm just here now. Got my MacBook Pro open, and I am importing the footage from the Brooklyn Bridge walking tour into Final Cut Pro. And I'm gonna do mostly like audio adjustments and some color correction. There won't be really any cuts or background music or anything. And I want it to be really just about the ambiance and as if you're really there. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Maybe after this we'll go by Pier 17. There's a beautiful view of the bridge, downtown Brooklyn. It's a little foggy today, but I think we'll still be good. Yeah. Ended up here at Battery Park, which is the very, very bottom tip of Manhattan, so you can't really go more downtown than this. So I don't know if you guys can see, but the Statue of Liberty is right there in the distance. Not the clearest view, but you can see it from Battery Park. Whenever I have friends visiting New York and they want to see the Statue of Liberty, I always take them to the Staten Island Ferry because one, it's free, and two, it goes directly right by the Statue of Liberty. You can get an amazing view right there. It doesn't cost any money. You can literally go to Staten Island for free, but you can get tickets and go to Ellis Island and do the Statue of Liberty that way. But if you're looking for a free way to go, you can always do the Staten Island Ferry. Speaking of the Staten Island Ferry, we are right here. I think that would be a fun video tour as well, as riding that maybe on a clearer day when we can really get the good views of the Statue of Liberty and downtown Brooklyn and Financial District. That'll be pretty sick. We'll have to come back here for sure. What's cool about the New York City ferries is that they are public transportation. So I think they're just like either around the same price as a subway ticket or maybe like a little bit more expensive. But yeah, you can literally get around by boat depending on where you're going. Isn't it crazy? We crossed that earlier today. So I'm heading back to the subway now to head back uptown so I can get back to my good internet at my apartment and finish uploading the Brooklyn walking tour. But this was such a lovely morning downtown. I definitely got to do more stuff like this earlier in the day because it's not even noon yet and I already feel like I've had a full day already. So yeah, we are going back to Washington Heights.